Income from house property. You know that we calculate under house property, not under business. Now, capital gain is not your business income. Disallowed means which are not related to business. As I told you, any provisions, any reserves, all comes under disallowed items. Depreciation as per accountancy, right in the disallowed item. Depreciation as per income tax, write it under your allowable expenses. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adarsh sir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. The agenda is very simple. We'll understand the concept and problem. Problem in the form of your format. So these are your format: compute business income. Now, so this will be your format. In this, the only changes with your profession and business is, in the profession, what we used to do, we used to write all the professional income and minus all professional expenditure. Now we will go ulta, reverse in the form of, we write all the income which are not related to business and we write all the expenses which are not related to business. Once again, I'll repeat. I'll show you with example. Now, just your solution will be like this. Your solution will be in the profession. In the profession, what we used to do, in the profession, we used to write like all your professional income. All your professional income we used to write. All your professional income we used to write. Which are those professional income? Like your, in case of medical practitioner, visiting fees, your operation fees, any professional gift. So these kind of incomes we are supposed to write. Less professional expenses. Professional expenses. Which are those professional expenses? The professional expenses in the sense like salary to the staff, rent, or any kind of expenses which are not related to your profession. Hope you are clear. Which are related to your profession. Now, so these are the professional income and these are the professional expenditure. Whatever expenses you made, that must be related to your profession. Now, from income, you minus your expenditure, you will get your final answer. From income, if you minus your expenditure, you will get your final answer. Hope you are clear. Yes, income minus expenditure, it is done. Now, in case of business, it is completely different. Why it is different means, we don't do calculation like this. First, we go with net profit. So, whatever net profit, already they have done profit and loss account. In the question paper itself, they will give you profit and loss. We take that net profit. We'll write down all the net profit. In that, we have to take expenditure. What are the expenditure? Which are not related to business. If it is already included, we have to take it out. Hope you are clear. Best example I'll give you. So, from college, they have given me 10,000 for some work, for college work. In that 10,000, I made some expenditure and I showed them 2,000 is with me. Again, I'll tell you. So, from college, they have given me how much? 10,000 rupees for college expenses. Now, out of 10,000, I have spent 8,000. I have given the balance of rupees 2,000. Now, if I give this 2,000 to the management, to the college, what they will do? This will be profit. Assume that this will be profit. I'll write down net profit is 2,000. I'll write down what is the net profit? 2,000. Now, I'll go with this 8,000, whatever I have spent. Listen to me carefully. So, college has given me how much? 10,000. So, I have spent how much? 8,000. What is the balance of profit? 2,000. This 2,000 you call it as net profit. Clear? Now, so the college will question you why out of 10 only why 2,000 left out. Give me the detail of this 8,000. So I have given in the list all the details of 8,000. In this 8,000, 3,000 I made personal expenses. That 8,000 actually I should spend for what? College. But out of 8,000 I spent for personal expenses. How much? 3,000. That 3,000 I have spent for personal. Whether it is a management fault or my fault, it is my fault. Then what management will do? Give me back that 3,000. So any personal or non-related to business. We got 3,000, add 3,000. Your net profit must be 5,000. Hope you are clear. Hope you got now why I am adding this 3,000 means out of 8,000, 3,000 it is not college expenses but I have taken for college. So that's why I have to consider the 3,000 for college for personal. Clear? Now how much your net profit? 5,000. Clear? This is all about your business topic. That's why in the profession we don't start with net profit, but in the business we start with net profit. Whenever you start with net profit, you have to go ulta. You have to go ulta means non-related to business you should add and non-related to business incomes you should minus. Clear? Now, and one more, in this 2,000 you have collected from your friend 500. Again I'll repeat, whatever you showed 2,000, in this 500 you have collected from your friend, not from college. That 500 income is there, no? You have to minus. It will be 4,500. Expenses not related to business, add. Income not related to business, you have to minus. That's it. That is your business income. Hope you're clear. Yes. So later I'll give you an example problem. We'll work out that. You will understand better how to do and what is the calculation. Clear? Yes. Now, this will be your format for business or profession. Now, compute business income, particular amount as well as amount. Now, net profit as per profit and loss account. As I told you, you have to start your problem with what? Net profit. Write your net profit you have written. Next, add disallowed item. Add is what? Disallowed item. You have to add what? Disallowed items. Now, what are the disallowed items we have? We have donation. We have any provisions, excess depreciation, any reserve, personal expenses, expenses of other head. Hope you are clear. We have to add disallowed items like we have donation, any provision, excess depreciation, any reserve and personal expenses as well as expenses of other head. Now, which are those? Like donation, normally it comes for what? Personal. Any provisions, provision means even, remember, not related to business means any provisions, any reserve which are not related to business. Now, excess depreciation. Normally what happens when we do income tax, there are two types of depreciation. One is depreciation as per your accounts. One more is depreciation as per income tax. The difference, if it is excess, you should add. The difference, if it is less, you are supposed to minus. Clear? If it is excess, add. If it is deficit, you are supposed to minus. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, any reserve, personal expenses, expenses of other head. These are the things you are supposed to add. Now, what are the things you are supposed to minus? I'll show you. Now, allowable expenses given, adjustment and other head of income. Now, which are those like? Income from house property. See, whatever here it is mentioned other than your business income. Again, I'll repeat, whatever here mentioned which are other than business income. Now, income from house property, you know that we calculate under house property, not under business. Now, capital gain is not your business income. Dividend from Indian company, always it is exempted. Along with that, it is not your business income. Bank interest received, income from other source, not part of this. Interest on security, it is also not part of your business, it is also other. Lottery income also not part of your business and it is other source. Casual income also not part of your business, it is income from other source. Allowable depreciation, as I told you, any depreciation as per accountancy, take it here. Any depreciation as per income tax, take it here. Clear? So, no need to minus whether it is excess or deficit. No, nothing to worry. Depreciation as per accountancy, right in the disallowed item. Depreciation as per income tax, write it under your allowable expenses. Clear? Yes. Now, you will not understand if I explain you the format. If you go with an example problem, then you will understand better. Now, these are the information. You have to take net profit. You add everything. Total you will get minus this thing. This will be your final answer. Hope you are clear. Yes, this is all about your calculation. Now, I'll go to the next one. Just assume that we'll go with one small example problem. You will understand better in this. In the example problem, they have given net profit. Net profit 25,000 and they have given provisions 5,000. Provision for expenses. Provision for expenses, it is 5,000. Then income tax, it is 2,000. Depreciation 1,000. Then we have reserve 3,000. Proprietor's salary 1,500. Then staff salary 4,000. And one more I'll give. And one more is rent. One more is electricity. Now, so what is the procedure actually? As I told you, first we start with what? Net profit. Now, write net profit. What is your net profit? As per this, your net profit is 25,000. Write 25,000. After that, add disallowed item. Add disallowed item. Disallowed items are what? Like, disallowed means which are not related to business. As I told you, any provisions, any reserves, all comes under disallowed items. Now, as per this, provisions is a disallowed item. Provision 5,000. Provision, it is 5,000. Then income tax is a disallowed item. Right? Income tax. Income tax is how much? 2,000. Next, your depreciation as per accounting, disallowed item. Depreciation as per accounting, disallowed item, and it is 1,000. Then Reserve, any reserve are called as disallowed. It is how much? 3,000. Reserve, it is 3,000. Then your proprietor's salary is a disallowed item, 1,500. Remember, if you are giving salary to the workers, it is part of your business. If the proprietor itself takes salary, it is his personal now. So, proprietor salary, how much it is? Yes, 1,500. Hope you are clear. Yes, your proprietor salary is 1,500. Now, staff salary, it is 4,000. See, staff salary is what? Part of your business. We are not supposed to consider that. Now, rent, you have to pay rent to your business, right? Electricity, without electricity, you cannot run your business. So, these are the items which are called as disallowed. Hope you are clear. Like this, your question will be like this. We have to extract which are not related to business. Remember, any reserve, any provisions, any income tax, any depreciation, proprietor's salary, personal expenses, donation for personal, all these are called as disallowed item. Hope you are clear. Please write down. So, any reserve, any provisions, any depreciation, donation, proprietor salary, personal expenses, income tax, municipal tax. Municipal tax paid for what? House. That is also personal. Clear? And insurance. Insurance not on gold on our stock. Insurance on life. That is life insurance. These are the 9 items are there which are called as disallowed item, which has to be considered your here. Clear? Yes. Now, we have to all this. After doing this, just assume the further question will be like this. So, we have added all the expenses and we have to minus the income part. Your question continuation, you have like income from house property, 12,000. Next, income from capital gain, 4,000. Income from other source, 3,000. Discount, 2,000. These are the incomes you have. Now you are supposed to find out which are not related to business. In this, your house property is not related to business. Take that minus house property income not related to business. How much it is? 12,000. Next, capital gain 4,000. Capital gain 4,000. Then you have other source 3,000. Other source 3,000. Then you have discount worth rupees 2,000. Discount, remember, it is a part of the business. If you want to sell your goods, you have to give discount. If you want to purchase goods, you will ask for discount. All this comes under your business related. These 3 are non-related to business. Now, what is the total actually? 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1.5, it will be 12,500. And 12 plus 4, 16 plus 3, 19,000. The format is add and minus. 25 plus 12,500, 37,500. 37,500 minus 19,000. How much? Calculate 25 plus 12, 37,500 minus means it will be almost 18,500. 18,520, 37. Yes, proper. 18,500 is your business income. Hope you're clear. Like this, you're supposed to find out. This is just an example problem, and in the next session, we will work out one complete problem of your examination. Now, I'll go back to previous slides. Please take screenshot. So, this is a format of business, and this is an example problem actually. If you want, you can take, or else if you understood, that is enough. So, these are the solution, example, explanations. Yeah. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood. Yes. So please work out this, learn the format. As I told you, which are the items has to be added, remember that, and which are the items has to be deducted other than business related, you are supposed to take. Hope you are clear. Yes, good. Thank you.